Yeah, and we're back. So, behind me is the BZ4X. So, napakaganda opportunity to. We have here the gray metallic and the white pearl. So, nasa labas lang siya eh. I'm inside the showroom. And ayan siya eh, oh. Kita nyo? White pearl and gray metallic color. So guys, before we begin, before we head straight inside the BZ4X full electric unit, short intro lang ako. Meron kami trade-in dito, of course. Pero guys bago nyo dalhin yung unit nyo, appointment muna tayo. Baka kasi mamaya wala yung appraisers namin, di ba? Sayang yung punta nyo. And by the way, just in case meron kang financing approval na existing to other brands, pwede mo yun i-transfer dito. Alright? Tara, puntahan agad natin. BZ4X full electric vehicle. So these are the BZ4X. White pearl and gray metallic. Yeah. So, it's a full electric. And ayokong patagalin to. Gusto ko agad makita nyo yung loob. After the inside, we'll go outside. Right? Let's go. Yeah. Let's begin here at the side mirror. Ang side mirror niya is merong integrated signal light. Alright? And of course, meron yang 360 camera. Right? And meron tong smart entry. See this? Yan, okay. Nakita nyo, nag-lock siya. So, nag-fold yung side mirror because hinawakan ko siya. So, hindi yan basta-basta mag-e-effect just because na-sense niya yung susi na dito malapit. So, yan. Right? Kita niyo yung response niya. So, i-unlock ko siya ulit. Right? So, up. Right? So, ayan yung design ng door panel niya. Guys. Kita nyo. Right? Against the light lang, pero okay. Meron siyang seat memory. Okay? Yan Merong seat memory 1, 2. So, ito yung set button. Okay. Then, adjust ng side mirror. Okay, left and right. Central lock ng doors. Okay. Then, ito yung 4 na window controls. Then, central lock ng window. Right? So, under is, meron siyang isang speaker. Right? Dalawang cup holder. Pero hindi siya extended pero yan, dalawang cup holder. So, this design is leather guys. Leather to. Right, leather yan. This one is yan, ang ganda ng pagkaka-texture nito guys So, hard plastic. Meron tong coating ng leather. And this one is leather also. And like I mentioned. Door function niya. Kita nyo? Right? So, ang seat height adjuster niya, tsaka yung sandalan is automatic. Kita nyo? This one is full leather. Yan. Right? And dito naman tayo sa mga buttons. Ito yung pambukas ng hood niya. Right? Auto high beam. Okay. Meron siyang pang-washer ng headlight. Okay? So, tailgate. Ito yung pang-open ng tailgate. Nice. Actually, hindi ako nag-rehearse, guys, sabay-sabay natin tong makikita. Bagong-bago. Okay? Hindi ko pa to chinek beforehand bago ko to i-video. So, sabay-sabay natin to ma-explore right now. Let's head inside. So, ito na nga yung design ng steering wheel niya. Ganda. Actually, medyo maliit siya. And advantage dito kapag medyo mas maliit yung steering wheel mo, mas madali siyang iliko. Alright? Na-experience ko na yan before. Nagpalit kami ng manibela sa sasakyan. Pinalitan ng mas maliit, mas maganda. mas madali siyang ikutin. Okay? So, ito, lagi to pag may cursor button, pang-navigate yan ng settings mo dito. Okay? Then, volume control, ito. Okay? Up, down siya. Yan. Then, voice command. Okay? Dito naman sa kabila is cruise control, lane departure monitoring. By the way, yan lane departure monitoring na yan is located here. Yan, kita nyo. Ito nasa likod Yan yung sensor niyan for the lane departure monitoring. And this one, itong mode na to is shortcut yan. Actually para dito sa infotainment mo. Okay, actually ang laki ng infotainment niya. Right? So, cruise control, then meron tong paddle shifter. Kita nyo ba to? Yan yung plus. Yan, okay. Then, of course, sa kabila, minus. Dahil nga paddle shifter. Okay. So, i-share ko lang kung gaano kalaki tong monitor na to. Guys, ito yung phone ko. 6 inches siya. Kita nyo kung gaano kalaki. Alright. So, yan, malaki siya. Yan. Okay. Then, meron tayong dalawang wireless charger ng phone. Grabe, brutal. Dalawa yan para sa passenger mo sa harap. And this one is the hazard button. Right? Ito, these are rotary adjustment. Okay? Yan. Also this one. Fortunately, I'm very sorry, hindi ko to mabubuksan kasi naka-display to. Okay? So, right now, mapakita ko all the buttons. Right? So, ito, makikita nyo. Ito yung shift knob nya. So, you have to push this to adjust the drive. Para siyang Alphard. Pero, yan. Push it, then twist. Okay? Pagka pindot mo nyan, select ka ng drive. Makikita mo naman, just the drive, neutral, and reverse. And naka-indicate dyan is the push. Alright? So, this one is the park. Ito yung handbrake mo, yung classic. Okay? So, this one is the electric handbrake. 360 view, brake hold assist. So, yan, sa mga vlogs ko, ang dami kong discussion about this, the brake hold assist. Napakaganda niyan. Right? So, yan. Aminado ako guys right now. Meron akong mga hindi ko alam dito dahil kakapasok ko lang dito. Same as you guys. So, ito merong X mode, merong eco mode. Actually, sobrang tipid na sa gas, then meron ka pang eco mode. Antindi. So, the classic traction button, right? So, ito merong plus minus dito na pang set. I think it's about this, the X mode. Pero nonetheless, i-discuss ko yan. Actually, baka ilagay ko na lang sa description itong vlog ko. Alright? So, gusto ko lang talaga to agad pasukin para makita nyo. Okay? So, cup holder natin, itong dalawa. Ganda. So, ayan meron siyang pang-lock na nagre-retract para ma-hold into place yung drink nyo. And then, center pocket. Wow, paano natin ito bubuksan? Okay, so nandito sa side yung button niya. Okay, ito, kita nyo. So, that's the button. Yan. Ayos siya, maganda siya. So, ito yung phone ko para at least ma-visualize nyo lang kung gaano siya kalaki. So, 6 inches yung phone ko. Right? Nice. So, teka nga, check natin to. Parang LC siguro to. Ayun, kabilaan ng opening niya. Alright? So, pwede mo siya i-open from here and also from here sa driver side. Right, nice. Ganda. So, ang sabi kasi dito is what? At full charge, you can range up to 400 kilometers up to 500. Estimate. Alright? And then, let's check. Meron ba tayong glove compartment? Okay, wala tayong glove compartment, guys. Alright? So, pare-pares natin tong first time lang pumasok, Then, ito yung aircon vent niya at the passenger side. Okay? Dalawang cup holder under sa passenger. And let's check the visor. Meron pa rin siyang, yun, see that? Every time you open this, umiilaw siya. Okay? Para makita yung nagbe-makeup dito. Nice. And actually, this one, sa itsura nito, this one is a full digital rear view mirror. Okay? And ito yung panel natin dito. Okay? So meron door function, lit. Ito, pwede natin buksan individually yung ilaw. Okay? Door function. And what else? Ito, may indicator. Okay? Sa passenger. Yan, reminder. And meron tong sunroof. Ito yung pang-open ng sunroof niya. Okay? Try nga natin, guys. Unfortunately, it's not functioning. Okay? And then, we have to move on from this. Ito yung passenger side. Okay? Meron ding mirror yung driver side. Okay? Iilaw din yan each time na i-scroll mo tong cover. Okay? Merong handlebar dito sa driver side. Right? Nice. So guys, meron tong sunroof. Hindi ko lang siya na-open right now, pero meron siya. Of course, kita nyo. Yan. Okay. Papunta na tayo sa second row. And meron ding smart entry itong second row door. Okay? Let's check it. So, ito ang design ng door panel niya. Okay? This is the door mechanism. Okay? Yan. Meron siyang pang-control nitong window. Okay? Then, meron din tong dalawang cup holder. Nice. So, ang seats niya is full leather. Right? Meron siyang tatlong headrest. Okay? And may nakita akong retractable na armrest with cup holders. Okay? Yan pwedeng ilagay yung phone dito. See that? Nice. Dalawang cup holder. Full leather. And second row aircon vent. Nice, ang ganda. See that? Okay. And meron tong control dito ng ventilation. Okay? So, may seat ventilation siya, guys. Nandito yung control niya. Okay, then Type-C charger. Dalawang port nang nandito. Okay, see that? Tignan na natin up close. Kita nyo. So, nice. Second row aircon vent. And pwede maglagay ng files dito. Okay, see that? So, at the ceiling is ito yung na-mention ko kanina. Meron tong sunroof. Alright? So, actually, nandun nga sa dashboard, sa headliner, yung pang-open ng sunroof natin. Okay? And then, by the way, nandito yung center, yung cabin light niya. So, hindi ko na siya matatawag na center dahil medyo nandito siya sa likod. Okay? See that? Okay, see? Yan. Yan yung cabin light niya. Right? So, nice. Full leather. So, ulitin ko lang the BZ4X at full charge, average kilometer niya is what? 400 to 500 at full charge. So, guys, checkin natin yung cabin. So, it's an automatic tailgate. Alright? So, isang push ko lang yun, nag-open na siya. It's a magnetic button. Right? And then, meron tayong cabin light dito sa cargo space niya. Right? So, medyo may mga laman lang to, So, meron din tong tonneau cover. Right? Yan guys, nakikita nyo. So, yan. Sa Yaris Cross, Corolla Cross. So, this one is retractable. Okay, nakita nyo, nahatak ko siya. So, ang purpose naman talaga kasi niyan is what? For the privacy nitong cargo space mo. Okay? Para maiwasan natin yung basag salamin na hindi nila makita na may laman tong cargo space mo. Okay? So, under ng tailgate to guys ha, meron tayong lock level and also what? Close this tailgate. Okay? Then dito merong handle. Yan. Okay? So, for me guys, this is just my opinion, mukha siyang Lexus. Of course, yun na nga, marinig nyo. Toyota is also the Lexus. Pero, the way it looks sa akin ganda. Medyo may pagkaano pa nga Tesla yung look niya. Combination siya ng bilugan and kwadrado. So, nice. So guys, yung mga ibang hindi ko na-discuss about this BZ4X, lalagay ko na lang sa description. Alright? Like I mentioned, before I start here, sabay-sabay natin itong pinasok. And guys, sorry, nakat ko lang may tumawag sa phone ko. And I'm gonna close this one. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yan. And that's it. Wow. So, I'll be showing the spoiler. So, kita niyo yung spoiler design niya and the shark fin antenna. Okay? So, ito yung design ng spoiler niya. Okay? May cut siya. So, hindi siya kompleto na full na spoiler. So, yan. May design siya dito. Parang Batman for me. Then, meron siyang this one ducktail here. So, for me, parang naalala ko dito yung Prius Alright? So, yeah. Yan, dito may parang boomerang shape dito. Okay? Nice. So, ito yung design ng tail light niya. Ganda. Very modern. Okay? The BZ4X badge. Alright? And, ayan. So, the BEV, kita nyo? Battery electric vehicle. And, yeah. Meron tayong backing sensors, of course. Hopefully nakikita nyo, madilim kasi dito sa back portion. And reflector light. Of course, this one, same siya sa kabilang side. Kita nyo? Yan. Nice. And meron tayong dalawang camera dito. Ano ba to? Bakit may dalawang camera dito? Alright. Backing camera and the 360. Okay? So guys, this one is all-wheel drive. Okay, kita nyo na nakalagay na Nice. And ayan, yung tail light niya. So, yeah. And tignan naman natin ngayon yung mugs niya. Okay, kita nyo yung mugs. Okay, dito tayo sa front mugs dahil mas malakas yung ilaw dito ng sunlight. Ano nga ba yung size? Wow, grabe tong mugs na to. Ang laki niya actually. Kita nyo? So, check ko lang ano yung mug size nito. So, this one is 20. Ang laki guys, this one is 20. Right? And yung tires na nakabit sa kanya is Sport Max. Okay? So, by the way, ito yung charging port nyo. See that? And look at the white pearl there. So, currently charging state ng isang BZ4X na white. Kita nyo, ayan, naka-charge siya. By the way, here sa showroom namin, meron kaming charging station. Okay. So, let's go at the front. So, meron tong black design dito Yan, nagpapasporty ng look niya. Para siyang over fender, pero body siya Okay, black color lang siya. Right? Hindi siya plastic Okay. Then, meron ditong fog light na parang projector light siya. Okay. For any correction, guys, feel free to comment. And ito yung signal light niya. Just reminding you again, sabay-sabay natin ito pinasok ngayon. Right? Hindi ako nag-rehearse actually. And the bumper design. Sobrang modern ng look. Right? Modern, simple. Right? Yeah. At meron siya mga front sensors, guys, Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Then, another two. Ito, meron pang side, another side na sensor yan, Same goes at the other side. Right? So, that's the gray metallic BZ4X. So, kung ayaw nyo yung gray, andito naman yung white. Right? So, there goes Moby Dick. White color, white pearl, BZ4X. Right? So, of course, same interior to. Pero, syempre, two-tone design siya. Naging two-tone siya because of the white color. Right? Is dito mas kita natin, So, paitan natin yung port. Yan. Okay. Kita nyo ba? Okay. So guys, kung natatakot kayo sa full electric, mas matakot kayo dun sa mga nag-e-experiment pa lang right now. Versus the Toyota na ang tagal na, especially the hybrid units. Matagal na nag-hybrid unit ang Toyota. Versus the other brand na, ano ba to, pinagpa-practicean nyo pa lang ba ngayon? Yan. Okay. So, see the side, Kita nyo yung design ng side niya. Wow. Ganda. So for the price, guys, just check the description. Marami nagagalit sa atin dahil hindi nga daw nilalagay yung price. Actually, from a previous vlog, hindi ko na talaga nilalagay yung price kasi nga nagkakaroon ng price increase. If you're truly interested, contact me. Lagi nandito naman yung contact number ko . Right? Bakit? Natatakot ba kayo ma-follow up? Right? Nice. I hope malinaw yung mic ko dahil ang ingay dito. We are besides the C5. See that? Yeah. So this is the parking lot. Right? The showroom. Yeah. And those are the two BZ4X. Full electric at full battery. You can reach up to what? 400 to 500 kilometers. Ang layo na nun, actually, Nakapunta ka na ng Baguio nun. Okay? Stop recording. Yep. Wala. Pakita ko lang tong parking namin and the showroom. Alright? So, by the way, we are located along C5. Diba? So nice. So, ang laki ng parking dito. You don't have to worry. Alright? Oy, si Kuya Guard. So, these are the BZ4X, guys. And this is my usual outro. Meron kaming trade-in dito. Bring your unit, of course. Pero by schedule, baka mamaya susugod kayo basta-basta. Wala yung appraisers namin. And just in case meron kang approval, so meron kang financing approval existing, baka pwede mo yung i-transfer dito. Actually, pwede mong i-transfer. Alright? We just have to check your existing financing approval. So guys, doon sa mga natatakot sa electric, mas matakot kayo doon sa ibang brands na pinagpa-practicean pa lang ang ang electric. Alright? Versus dito sa Toyota na napakatagal ng nag-hybrid. Okay? So, tawag kayo anytime, Visit my YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Huwag mahiya. Bye!